Man, I'm going through some of these really cool curves, and unfortunately I had to do a quick, I had to very quickly eat and run, so I didn't have a chance to really enjoy it. But so I didn't have a chance to stop and savor anything, but it got me thinking, you know, what I crave when I'm on the road. And that's maybe the question for the day. What is it that when any of us are riding, when we do these long trips or these even day trips on a motorcycle, and you got to stop for lunch or dinner, what is it that you crave? Where do you have to go to make it feel like it's just, it's a trip? You know, that's the thing with me. I crave things differently on a motorcycle maybe than I might a car, or really more when I'm on an adventure as opposed to just trying to get somewhere. Yeah, for me what I like is, one of the things I like to eat, period, is barbecue. You know, I'm a big barbecue fan, and it's primarily because whether you're going to St. Louis, Kansas City, the Ozarks, or you're going to the North or the East Coast, everyone has barbecue, and everyone prepares it a different way. The sauces are different, the way they have fried it, it's different, the meats they use are different, and it's fun to see what different people do here in the United States. So I really enjoy that part of it. And then I also like the local cuisine. You know, if I can go in and somebody's known for their catfish, or they're known for their chicken, you know, then naturally I want to try that out too. You know, I just want to take in whatever the food of the day is there. You know, and sometimes it's a really good steak. And then sometimes if I'm traveling down south, sometimes it's something like a Cracker Barrel. I don't know, but it changes. But I always feel like there's a certain amount of type of food that I have to have, or that I feel like, you know, I should crave when I'm riding, particularly in a certain area. What about you? Do you have any favorite foods on the road? Are there any favorite restaurants? Let me know in the comments, and let me know where they are, because I may want to try them too sometime. Okay, thanks everybody.